Welcome, Matt here from Mr. Gardener YouTube channel, and as I mentioned in my last video, we were going to get a few extras for this mower, and one of them's arrived, the Ego rear roller kit. In this video I thought I'd share with you my first impressions and a few thoughts on the roller kit so far. I've only used the roller kit once so far, and I didn't get any footage of it, but I've got a few photos which I'll flash on at the end so you can see the effects that the roller kit can offer. So the roller kit costs about £50, and I will leave a link in the description on where you can get hold of it, but it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy to put together. The only problem we had when putting it together was one of the bolts on this roller was too tight, and there was just no purchase to undo it properly, so it took an absolute age to get that together. Other than that, it was really pretty easy, just a case of screwing it together really. The kit slots over the rear axle and it's just done up with a few bolts, and it just sort of freely swings on that rear axle, so pretty easy. If you are interested in a video on how to put it together, I will do one, but let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. I was very impressed by the stripe it left, and that's really down to the weight of it. It weighs about 8 kilos, which is pretty impressive considering it's sort of an add-on. So when we do get some grass growth, it will leave a decent stripe on there. Now, as I mentioned, I've only really used it once, so can't really say how useful it's going to be for us. I do have a few concerns about the practicalities of it, particularly as a professional gardener, getting it in and out of the van and manoeuvring it around people's gardens. I think it's going to be a bit of a nuisance when it comes to that, but I don't think there's going to be a problem if you're just doing your own lawn or something and you just need to get it out of the garage. It shouldn't be a problem. The only problem is if you've got a gravel drive or gravel path. This roller really doesn't like gravel, so that might be a bit of an issue for you. But as I say, it's really too early to say, but there are a few practicality issues which hopefully we'll be able to iron out. If we do, I will let you know about those as well. I will do a full review on the roller kits later in the summer, as well as the mower, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. If anyone's interested, I'll do a video on how to put the roller kit together as well and how to attach it to the mower. I've also got a mulch kit coming for the mower as well, so that should be here in the next week or so, and I'll do a video on that in the next couple of weeks. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, I really do appreciate it, and if you've got any comments on the mower or the roller kit, again, drop them in the comments section and I'll get back to you. And that just leaves me to say thanks again for watching. Bye for now.